Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the history of archaeology in India. I am Dr. Reggie from the Department of History, Holy Cross College, Nagarkoil. The history of archaeology in India started in the 19th century with the appointment of Alexander Cunningham, who founded the Archaeological Survey of India in 1861. Further, it was expanded with the excavation of Indus Valley civilization during the first phase of 20th century. The persons who have contributed a lot for the development of archaeology in India were as follows. Sir William Jones. He was a Supreme Court judge in Calcutta and he was the founder of Asiatic Society. He founded the Asiatic Society on 15th January 1784. James Prinsep. He had deciphered the Brahmi and Kharosthi scripts. James Fergus. He had published Epigraphica Indica, the most important book on Indian epigraphy. Next comes the father of Indian prehistory, Robert Brucewood, who had founded the hand axe, a Paleolithic stone tool from Pallavaram near Chennai. The most important personality of Indian archaeology was Alexander Cunningham, who had founded the Archaeological Survey of India in the year 1861. He excavated many Buddhist monuments from 1837 to 1854. His major contribution to Indian archaeology was the publication of Corpus Inscriptionum Indicorum in 1877. Because of his contributions, he was honored as the father of Indian archaeology. The backbone for all these works was Lord Curzon, who was the Viceroy of India at that period. He was the one who had appointed Alexander Cunningham and Sir John Marshall as the directors of Archaeological Survey of India and enacted Ancient Monuments Preservation Act in the year 1904. Other most important people were Sir John Marshall, who had excavated Indus Valley civilization along with Dayaram Shahani and R.D. Banerjee. Next comes Alexander Ray, who had excavated a sarcophagus, a box-like funeral receptacle for a corpse carved in stone at Pallavaram near Chennai. Next comes Mortimer Wheeler, who had started the excavations at Arikamedu and Brahmagiri and proved the Roman trade contacts with the early Tamil people. With this, we are completing the lesson, the history of Indian archaeology. We can have a next lesson in the next class. Thank you.